how your company is faring on the export front?
We are constantly growing in export. We are adding countries every year. We are adding volumes to the existing countries, and 75% of our production by value and by volume we are exporting. That that's around every year true. So that is how we are growing in exports.
What are the financial strengths of your company?
We have made profit from the day one. Every year we have been making profit, and most of the profit is flowed back for expansion and the growth of the company. We are sitting on good reserve. That is the strength of our company.
What is your message for shareholders?
Our message for the shareholders is that your company, sir, is on the growth mode, and you will be happy to see that we grow at the rate of 15 to 20% every year. That's the minimum growth I promise to you, and I wish and I thank you very much for the trust you have shown in our company, and we will like to fulfill your trust. That's my message to you.
What is your business philosophy?
Our business philosophy is that our customer is our business partner. We like to tell him that what he has bought from us is the best value he can get for the money he has paid, and we believe that in a longer relation with our customer, that is our business policy. 80 to 85% of our business is generated to our existing customers. That is, the customers have shown trust, and customer is willing to customer is willing to have a long-term relationship with us. That is our business policy.
How do you foresee your company 3 years from now?
I foresee that Meghmani Organics Limited will have at least more than 1,500 crore rupees sale in coming 3 years from now.
Any other highlight of your company you may like to mention?
We will be one of the leading brands in agrochemicals and in pigments in the world, just like a multinational in the products we manufacture. As the multinationals have multi-country sell and multi-location manufacturing with excellent quality, same will be for Meghmani Organics Limited. We will be multi-locational manufacturing company selling in multiple countries with the top most quality possible and the best services.